Hey folks, welcome back. Now that we've installed the add-on, we can do something called running the initial setup. That'll build the user interface for the add-on. And to do that, you hit Add-ons, AgencyAutomators Q&A, and then you'll hit Run Initial Setup. After you do that, you'll see a whole bunch of stuff happening along the bottom of the screen. It's building the user interface, and then it takes us to the config screen. There's a bunch of really helpful information about setup here, and there's also information about how to use the tools. So if you have questions, just make sure to come back to this config tab. So now that this is done, we can go and follow the directions here. We've already run the initial setup. When we click this drop down, we should just see one account. If you see more than one, you pick the appropriate GMB account that you want to access your Google My Business data with. Click that, then you go Add-ons, AgencyAutomators Q&A, and you hit Get Locations. And this will pull in all the Google My Business locations that are associated with that ID. We can then head over to the Q&A tab, and we should see all of the locations that we can pick from. In the next video, we'll run through how to actually edit the individual questions.